Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys saw by the intro, the title, the thumbnail, all that good stuff, it is making my refrigerator aesthetic looking. So this is the outside. It's a LG Life's Good, and we're gonna be organizing the actual fridge, and then down here we also have a freezer. So let's just get straight on into it. This video is Pinterest inspired because you guys know I'm a Pinterest addict and I'm always on Pinterest. So when I saw that there was like cute refrigerators that looked really aesthetic, I was like, I need to hop on this wagon. And I asked my parents and they were like, okay, like do it because our refrigerator is disgusting. So I will give you a tour of the before and the after and all that good stuff. Hopefully the sliding will be better. Let me see if I can turn on an LED light and it'll be better. I mean, kinda. Maybe I need it to be over here. Anyways, since the lighting is terrible, we're gonna be super up close and personal with the actual like refrigerator. So yes, that is the thing. I will pop up a picture of the one that I'm trying to recreate kind of thing. So let's get into it. First things first, I wanted to show you what I'm going to be using. So we have disinfecting wipes to actually clean inside, and then we have these jars and these plastic like containers to put produce into it. I wanted more, but I felt like it was a kind of expensive at home. Comment down below if I've been wanting to do a haul at home because they have so many sales, the at home store, and I love it so much. It's a problem. So comment down below if you guys want to see that video. So anyways, what we're gonna do is I think I'm gonna put fruits in here and then like other stuff in here that's kind of like closed. And yeah, so let me actually show you the inside of my refrigerator. Okay, so this is the actual refrigerator. Let me open this up. So on the top, we have a bajillion eggs because we eat eggs way too much. Heavy whipping cream because my mom does keto, so she can't have like a regular creamer. And then some fruits. In the back, we have some like Greek yogurt, pasta sauce, some butter. We have a random lemon. Then over here, I like this right here because there's already like a thing, so we just have to organize it. And then we have like a little space here that needs to be organized. Tortillas, more butter, leftovers. Here is spinach, lettuce, creamers that my dad does not like, more leftovers, which why aren't they together? Some juice, water, milk, stuff in the back. Oh, we have some Starbucks like cold brew coffee back there. Then I actually want to organize this like nicely. So this is just water, which looks pretty good. And then we have some cans of stuff. So I want to like organize that. And then over here we have like a bunch of just condiments and stuff. So we have like soy sauce. So for some reason we have this huge wine bottle. Like my parents drink that much wine. And other extra stuff like mayo, syrup, things like that. So that is that. I forgot. This is like supposed to be fruits, but for some reason we have cheese. And then this is like vegetables. So it was supposed to be fruits and vegetables. So we're gonna have to like divide it and see if I can fit other stuff. I wanted a container for just the spinach, but I couldn't find one that was like sealable at home. So hopefully maybe later in the future, I'll go to TJ Maxx and I can find one of those. Okay, let's go into the freezer. The freezer isn't actually that bad. We just have a lot of fruits and stuff that I want to organize, and then I want to put like fruits on this side, meats on the other side, and then up here is like vegetables, and sometimes we put ice cream and then an ice pack. So we don't actually make any ice here, but yeah, that's the freezer. It's not that bad. I just want to take everything out and organize it. So the next step we're going to do is just take everything out of the refrigerator first, organize it, and then do the freezer last. And I'm also, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm going to do a reel, and that's like a little bit faster so that you guys just see like the before and after, so you guys see like the more dramatic change of stuff. Okay, you guys, here's an overview of everything. I kind of overcrowded everything. So here's everything. I put it over here, and then watching something, I put some over here, I put some over here, we're everywhere. So I think my game plan for right now is I put everything out so that I can clean in here not really too dirty, but you know, it's good to clean stuff. So this is not too dirty, but we still want to clean it. So what I'm gonna do is I put all of this here. We're gonna clean this, and then we're gonna do the same with this side, because I bet you this side is a little bit worse because of it being condiments and sauces and stuff. And then we will clean inside here. So everything is really cleaned out. We have a lot more than I thought. I put onions right here too, and I have to put the Clorox wipes on the floor. So yeah, let's get right into that. Okay, you guys, so here's the final reveal of what it looks like. Not the final reveal, the reveal of me after I cleaned it. So like I said, I cleaned everything out of it, as you guys saw, but I kept everything here. I cleaned it so that, you know, we could put stuff in there. But this is how it looks like. I like this side so much. I feel like, you know, you have all the waters and then you have like the stuff here, but I'm excited to put everything back, because this is just giving me, you know how I always say you have a clustered space, you have a clustered mind, is like one of my actual like things. Also, I don't even think my parents actually use this, but we'll put this back. But that's like one of my like memos. If I made logo, I would say clean space, clean mind, something like that. I don't know. Organized space, organized mind, because this is giving me like actual OCD. Right now I'm listening to Pretty Basic, if you're wondering. Not Pretty Basic, Wild Till 9 featuring Pretty Basic. So yeah, this is the setup. You guys see my light, my tripod, all that good stuff. So now we're gonna put everything away. If you guys want to see like some just like really narrow behind the scenes of this, I'm making a reel and it will be up today, Wednesday when I film this. Yeah, it's Wednesday, so you guys will see this on Sunday. But anyways, so let's put everything back. I had to use the actual storage bins to get rid of, to have more space. So yeah, it should be interesting. I don't know how I'm gonna put everything back. I think this will count as a storage space, and then I'll put something, one of them here maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh my goodness, so we finished the fridge, we still have to do the freezer. Here is the after. You know, we might not be completely complete, but I think it looks 10 times better than it used to, because you have containers, you have this bin, everything looks super organized, super nice. I actually think it looks a lot better than it used to, and it's a lot cleaner. So let's do the fridge. I'm just gonna do it super quick so that we can end this video and I can do an outro, and I'll show you like the before and then the afters of both. Okay, just an FYI, like the freezer looks nothing different. It just feels more organized. Like I put like meats and stuff on this side and then the fruits on this side. And then this, we actually have some room for like ice cream and stuff. Are my hands actually kind of frozen? Yes, they are. So let's do the final reveal of everything. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that it gave you the motivation you needed to make your refrigerator organized, nice and neat, because as I say, my life motto, when you have a clustered space, your mind will be clustered as well. So, I love Pinterest, that's why I did this video, so I hope that you guys will search stuff up on Pinterest, get pictures if you don't have it already, because there's literally like an endless supply of things that you need in your life. Or things you don't need in your life, but you want. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so, so much. Make sure you guys subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit that notification bell to be part of the #Angels notification team. Once you do that, you will never miss one of my videos. And hopefully you guys will see all of my videos. Because when we learn together, we can achieve really great things. I love you guys so, so much. Stay tuned for next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. And stay tuned for my Instagram stuff because I will be posting behind the scenes content every single day. Bye guys.